Hello guys, you use smartphone Blackview A70. In complementation we have adapter for charging and micro USB cable. Okay. Device made of plastic, the red color, triple camera on the back side and fingerprint scanner. Okay. Display. We have IPS HD resolution, open Geekbench file, talk about system information. Okay. Android 11, Unisoc octa-core 4+4 cores, and GPU Power VR. Look results, single core score and multi-core score. And look GPU test results, okay. Look Antutu benchmark results. And run the mobile game GTA San Andreas. Look how this game works on the device. Okay, game load and works only on the low graphic level. Only low graphic level we can play GTA San Andreas on this device. Okay, and now I'll show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.